who showed up in a working car.
With no check engine?
With no check engine.
Uh-oh.
You good?
We have a little misfire.
Sounding good, breaking in the motor. How's the clutch? You're used to it?
Hate it.
Dude, this is low boost and your third gear looks like anybody's first gear. Like just seeing the RPM go woo!
It's freaking ridiculous.
Oh, I cannot wait till this is broken in. Jeez. Oh man, if only you guys freaking felt what I'm feeling. That is awesome. That is genuine awesome.
I'm glad you're loving it, bro.
Every boy just gotta crack up. Oh man.
My temps are getting a little high.
Okay, here we go again.
Oh.
Yeah, I never had to worry about my temps before with the bottom mount, bro, but things just get too hot up there now. Sad.
Yeah, I saw you and Demetrius, the way you guys like, what'd you guys wrap around the turbo? Is that just like a heat shield?
Turbo blanket.
Oh, turbo blanket?
To protect everything else around it, though.
Oh, it's not for the turbo. Okay. Ah, yeah. It just looks cool. Me, who's not an engine guy, you know, it's like, damn. Because you know, usually they like to keep their turbo shiny, and I just thought your guys' setup is a little bit different. It's like,
Nah, it's just there's so many wires around that area.
I see.
Rather
Okay.
not risk them getting fried.
I'm confused. What is that difference where it kind of like randomly opens up? Is that like you stepping on it? It's like fast, and then there's like something additional that it's like, you know, it's like, what is that like extra? Is that just you really stepping on it, or?
No, that's building boost because now it's top mount, so it's got to travel more. And everyone says the difference is minimal because it's got a lot more exhaust to travel through till it hits the turbo.
Right.
Everybody says the difference is minimal between top and bottom mount. Bro, there is such a massive difference.
That's freaking. I mean, yeah. I'm just curious. What is that turbo spool though? Like at like 5,000 RPM, or maybe I'm just tripping. I'll go over the video. Maybe I'm just tripping, but
I was tripping.
So it's kind of for yourself. But yeah, I definitely enjoyed the hell out of that ride.